I was taking a bath.
Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. I hope you guys are doing well today because I'm doing fantastic. In today's video guys, I'm going to take you on a bathroom tour. I want to say undecorated bathroom tour because guys, I moved into this house a couple months ago and guys, I haven't do anything major in my bathroom. So you guys know it's holiday season coming, so I always love to decorate my bathroom, every part of my house, but bathroom is the thing I haven't touched yet. So I want to show you how everything is right now because by a couple of weeks coming from now, I'm going to start changing everything in the bathroom, especially the mirror because I don't like today's video guys is in collaboration with Afina that sent me the shower head. Guys, if you are someone that suffers from acne and brittle hair, this one can be very useful to you. And guys, once you use it, it's gonna remove all the unwanted chlorine in the water. That's very healthy for your skin because where I live in the Southwest Florida, even my garden is dead because the chlorine is so strong. And I think they're doing some petition for that. But guys, I know there's a lot of things I cannot change, but this one can be very helpful to me because I'm going to change everything to my kids' bathroom. I already have some water filter for my kitchen, and having this one for my bathroom is a game changer. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video. And when you order yours guys, that's the way you're going to receive the package. And inside this box I have the shower head and all the tools necessary that you need to install it. So it doesn't require any professional, but if you cannot do it by yourself, you can always have somebody install it for you. But me personally, I didn't need a professional to install it for me. And guys, as you can see, the shower head, it required for you to change the filter every 90 days. And as you can see, it says on the box you have to change your filter every 90 days, and to change it is not difficult also to change it. Just untwist it and remove the filter and change it when is the time for you to do so. So as I show you right now, so it's not difficult to do. So guys, and it's to have the full benefit of the product, so you need to change your filter every 90 days as I mentioned in the box. And guys, the water filter is good for you, it's good for your health, it's good for your hair. Me, I'm someone that has a lot of acne, a lot of blemishes back then, couple years from now, like and the first thing I do, I change my diet and I change my water filter and I change everything, so in order for me to have a better skin. But Afina is one of the great company that you can find a good shower head for your bathroom, and the pressure of the water is so good, give you great massage, and it make my bathroom look very nice. The link will be in the description box down below, feel free to check it out. Okay guys, for my bathroom I'm going to put a glass door, and as you can see the tile, I want to change it, to be honest, but I'm not sure yet if I'm going to change it. And my heart is leaning more a marble white tile, but I will see what life gonna bring. But for the lighting, I don't like the bathroom is too dark for me. I'm somebody that love a lot of light. For some people it's okay, but me, I love light. So even I have like the light in the bathroom, it still feel dark for me because whenever I'm doing my makeup, I can really see nicely. And I need to change and to add my bling bling. You guys know I love my bling bling, so I'm gonna definitely do so. This table I added here just to put my candle, my bomb bath, and my towel and everything. So guys, this is the way it is right now, and I love my shower head guys. Make sure to check the box down below if you're looking for a nice shower head. This one can be a good option for you. And guys, as I mentioned, for this bathroom door, I'm going to put a glass shower door. And guys, this is the thing that I really dislike about my bathroom. I don't know if it's something about Florida, but several houses that I've been living, they always have this problem. Medicine cabinet. I have a coworker that had a DIY. She showed me, it was beautiful. I think I might do something like that, but I'm not sure yet. But this mirror, I wanted to do a DIY, but I'm leaning more to LED light mirror because I have LED light in my previous home and I loved it. So I don't think I want to do DIY, but we'll see. I have a lot of leftover mirrors for my previous DIY, but I wanted to give myself the option to make my bathroom look extremely luxuriously. The pressure of the shower head, guys, feels so good in your skin, and it's gonna help your skin feel nice and look nice, and it's gonna help you fight dandruff and all the good stuff, guys. You need something like that in your life. And guys, that's the way my bathroom is whenever I'm taking a shower. Since I'm going to remove everything, I'm going to add a glass door. So right now, that's the way it look like. But you know, this light in the bathroom, it's a warm light. I cannot stand it. I'm sorry, guys, but I love light so much. To have a light like that is not good. So me, I'm just shopping right now what kind of light I'm going to add in the bathroom. But I'm sure I'm going to add light in the ceiling, and another light, change the vanity light. And I think that's what I have so far in my head. And as I'm ordering things, so when everything is in place, and I'm going to start working in the bathroom. So guys, that's the way my bathroom is right now. So let me know down below, what do you think? If you have any suggestion, because I wanted to put a wall paper like tile by the tub just to make it look more nicer, because I just don't like the emptiness by the tub. So let me know down below if you have any suggestions. So if whatever I said, if you like it, so let me know down below, guys, because I'm going to start working in my bathroom very soon, since holiday season is around the corner. I'm going to leave the link of the shower head in the description box for you guys, and I have some good coupon code. Please take advantage of it so you can have some good discount. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.